Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook page. Well, if your Instagram and Facebook audience differ significantly in terms of demographics and interest, it may be beneficial to disconnect the accounts. And maintaining separate strategies for each platform can help you better target and engage with your specific audience on each channel. Anyhow, this is my Instagram account that I want to disconnect from my Facebook page. So log into your Facebook account and under your profile, select the page you want to disconnect your Instagram account from. Then go to its main page and under settings, select linked accounts. Here it gives you an option to disconnect your Instagram account. Just click on disconnect account and then click on yes disconnect. And then just click on done. Now your Instagram account has just been disconnected and you sure can reconnect it anytime you want. And this is how you can disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook page. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.